Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step Barbiecore outfits in DTI. So it's giving pink, powerful and totally iconic. In this tutorial, we are diving headfirst into the Barbiecore aesthetic because life is a runway and you were born to slay it. So let me show you how you can create this Barbie look. As for the hair, here I'm only using one hairstyle. On the wavy hair in here, I'm going to use this one and make the color blonde like this. And then let's start with the outfit. So first I'm going to put on the top. Here I'm going to use this top, make the color pink and combine it with this white top in here, make the color the same. Okay, and as for the pants, you're just going to put on the skinny jean, but here I'm going to put on this like warmer first and change the color using this sparkly pink patterns. This one, and make the texture glitter. And as for the shoe, I'm going to put on this boots, toggle it into ankle length and make the color white like this. And now you can just put on the pants and the accessory. So for the pants, I'm going to use the skinny jeans and make the color pink and change the texture into matte. And here I'm going to put on this cowboy hat, make the color white, second one pink. Then I'm going to grab this accessory in here, this one, and make the color light pink like the one on the hat. And I'm going to put on this long earring, and just like that, now this is the Barbie look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.